Hey there, friends. Today, I hope you're excited to practice some animal names in English and in Spanish. After each one, I'm going to ask that you practice it with me, and then when we're all done, we'll go through them again, and I'll count it back down in Spanish. Here we go. First up, we have a fish, and in Spanish, we say pez. Can you say that with me? Pez. Good job. Next up, we've got a little friend who lives in the ground with a lot of other friends together in an ant hill, because we've got an ant. And in Spanish, we say hormiga. Say it with me now. Hormiga. Good job. Next up, I've got a big blue swimmy friend who likes to make a splash. It's a whale. That's right. And in Spanish, we say ballena. Say it with me now. Ballena. Good job. Next up, buzz buzz. This friend helps pollinate our flowers. It's a bee. Hi, Mr. Bee. And in Spanish, we say abeja. Say it with me now. Abeja. Great work. Next up, quack, quack, quack. This friend lives in a pond. It's a duck. And in Spanish, we'd say pato. Pato. Great work. Okay, we're halfway there. Next, meow. I know you know, it's a cat. Yeah. And in Spanish, we say gato. You can say it. Gato. Good job. Oh, now it's a cat's big cousin. He's orange and stripy. It's a tiger. Rawr. And in Spanish, we say tigre. Tigre. Good job. Next up, small and slow. It's a snail. And in Spanish, you can say caracol. Say it together with me. Caracol. Great work. I've got a few more friends here. This one runs or gallops around the barnyard. It's tall and it's a horse. Nay, says the horse. And in Spanish, we can say caballo. Say it with me now. Caballo. Okay, one more. I've got a little friend who likes to eat a lot of carrots and has a twitchy nose. And that's right, you guessed it, it's a rabbit. And in Spanish, we say conejo. Say it together now. Conejo. Great work. Okay, we're going to go through these 10 friends together one last time. Starting with number 10. It's the pez. Pez. Number 9. It's the hormiga. Good job. Number 8. Ballena. Number 7. Buzz buzz. It's the abeja. Number 6. Quack quack. It's the pato. Number 5. Gato. That's right. Number 4. Tigre. Good job. Number 3. Caracol. 2 more. Number 2. Caballo. And number 1. Conejo. Great job, friends. I really hope you enjoyed learning these Spanish words with me, and I hope you practice them at home and anytime you see one of these animals. Take care, friends.